Bad breath, also known as halitosis, which is a common problem in dogs, and can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor dental hygiene, gum disease, and digestive problems. There are several natural remedies that can help to get rid of bad breath in dogs. One of the most effective ways to get rid of bad breath in dogs is to brush their teeth regularly. Certain herbs can help to freshen your dog's breath naturally. Mint is also a freshly scented herb, contains chlorophyll, which has natural healing properties. You can sprinkle fresh mint on your dog's food. Crunchy vegetables such as carrots can help to scrape plaque off your dog's teeth and freshen their breath. Apple cider vinegar is a natural antibacterial agent that can help to kill the bacteria that cause bad breath in dogs. You can add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your dog's water bowl, which will help to freshen their breath. Coconut oil has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, which fight against bad breath in dogs. Yogurt also fight against bad breath. It is a healthy, natural, and nutritious treat for your pup. Aloe vera is also a great medicinal plant with many healing properties, and it can also help to fight against bacteria that cause bad breath. Pedigree Dentastic's Fresh Breath Dental Bones has fresh mint flavor. It acts as a dog breath freshener that works to clean teeth and freshen breath. Your dogs will also love to eat them. Dental Fresh Water Additive for dogs is an easier way to fresher breath for your pet. Its unique formula activates to target buildup and makes your dog's mouth an unwelcome place for bacteria. Simply add 1 tablespoon in water. It will leave fresh scent in your dog's mouth. Arm & Hammer for Pets Nubbies Dental Treats for dogs can remove plaque and tartar. This is easier than brushing. The power of baking soda and natural chlorophyll freshens breath and provides superior dental hygiene to your dog. These are a safe, gentle, and effective way to care for your dog's teeth. By following these tips and by using these products, your dog will get rid of bad breath easily. If your dog's bad breath persists, you should consult with your veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues.